Caring for an injured cat takes love, patience, and attention. Whether your cat is hurt from a fall, a fight, or an accident, it is important to act quickly and gently. Luckily, there are some simple and easy ways to care for injured cats. If a cat is injured, it may be scared or in pain. Speak softly and move slowly. Don't make sudden movements that could scare it more. Look for bleeding, swelling, or limping. Try to notice if the cat is breathing heavily or crying. These signs can tell you how serious the injury is. If the cat seems scared or in pain, gently wrap it in a towel before picking it up. This keeps both you and the cat safe from scratches or bites. If the injury looks serious, go to the vet right away. A vet can do a full checkup and give the right treatment. Injured cats need rest. Put your cat in a quiet, soft, and warm space away from noise, kids, or other pets. If your cat gets medicine, follow the vet's advice carefully. Give the medicine on time and don't skip doses. Make sure bandages are clean and dry. If they look wet or dirty, take your cat back to the vet, or change the bandage if you know how. Some injured cats may not want to eat. Offer soft, smelly, or warm food to encourage eating. Good food helps them heal faster. Keep clean water nearby. If the cat is not drinking, try using a small syringe to give it a little water gently. Don't let your cat jump or run while healing. You can use a box or a small room to keep it from moving too much. If your cat seems more tired, hides more, or meowing a lot, it may be in pain or getting worse. Call your vet if anything seems off. For small cuts or scrapes, give the area a warm bath using clean water. Avoid using alcohol or human medicines. If your cat allows it, brush its fur gently. This helps them feel normal and keeps their coat from matting while they are not moving much. Always wash your hands before and after touching your injured cat, especially if they have wounds or bandages. Clean hands help prevent infection and keep both you and your cat safe. Healing takes time. Talk to your cat in a calm voice, offer cuddles if they are open to it, and be kind. Your love helps them heal faster. Provide a quiet, calm room where your cat can rest without noise, other pets, or too much activity. A soft bed, dim lighting, and familiar items like a blanket or toy can help reduce stress. This peaceful space supports faster healing. Taking care of an injured cat can be hard, but your care makes a big difference. Always be gentle, stay alert, and follow the vet's advice. With time, rest, and love, your cat can feel better and be happy again.